Today I'm going to do it myself. I'm going to roast coffee beans. You've probably seen one of my videos before, but this is kind of my setup that I store my gear in. There's battery charger. I put other stuff under there. My gloves, timer. There's my heat gun. I have a fan I use. There are the springs, 8-cup flour sifter. The turkey base, an old turkey base fryer, turkey fryer base, whatever you call it. And here are the pans I cool in. Today, I am going to roast a bean from Sweet Maria's that I bought. It's from Guatemala. I bought a 5-pound bag on this one. After that, I'm going to do at least a pound of this Indonesian that I got from Berman Coffee Traders. I've had success with both of these companies. They're fantastic. So I'm going to show you how I set this up. As you can see, I have straightened the handle out there so I can put the 90-degree angle drill on it. So here we go. Get this attached. Now, when I do this, I like to have it go counterclockwise, and I think it works a little easier for me. And let me clamp this down. Notice these, I just kind of rigged these up from Home Depot. I got some clamps with some springs, and it hooks really nice on the turkey fryer. I just had a lot of stuff laying around, and I'm going to be roasting approximately half a pound. I don't get too technical with it. In a sense, this is mostly from experience. One other thing is there's so many variables anyway that I can't control them all. So just go from there. Now I'm going to get this. I always get a speed first. And if you notice, I've got it rolling. I'm probably inconsistent, but I eyeball that, and that's about how fast it turns when I roast. Let me get this thing going. As you can see, I've got the heat gun under there. Got my backup battery in case that one goes dead. So get this started. Here's my first 2/3 cup. My second. Starting my timer. I like to put, especially in the winter, I like to put this pan over, and you can see there's a little gap. The chaff will start coming out of there, flying up. This is just to kind of trap in a little more heat for consistency. You can see from there kind of how it's looking. What I do with the fan is a couple of things. When the chaff starts blowing on a calm day, I turn it on and blow it across here so it blow the chaff away. Today is breezy. I'm getting a easterly kind of wind, so I put this porcelain piece of tile up to kind of block the wind for a little more consistency on the heat. But as you can see, everything's rolling along. And now it's just a matter of listening and watching. So there we go. I'm going to pause. I know you don't want to see all this forever. All right, let's take a look at, it's currently right at 4 minutes. And let's just, you can see the chaff flying out. And then I'm looking in. You can see it's a light right now. You don't want to fill them off yet. It hasn't reached first crack. Now you can see why occasionally I'll turn this fan on and blow the chaff away. So that's kind of what I do. I put it on low. Okay, it's coming up on the first crack. You can hear it. First crack, and with this particular batch, it is at 737. And it's currently about 413 degrees, somewhere in there. So I'll let it keep doing its thing. Turn the fan back on. Okay, it's getting in very close into the second crack. I've been at this right at almost 11 minutes. You can probably hear the second crack. You can see some smoke coming off. And I'll show you how I do this. I pull this out. I stick this under, blow some chaff away with the fan. I usually will put this on there just so I don't cause it to shoot everything up. There we go. There we go. Move those around a little bit. And let's see if I can get this working. Something I do is move these around some. While it's transferring the heat. And then I do this. If there's any additional chaff, blows it away. Do that 1 or 2 times, and now I'm just cooling the beans. Okay, I dumped them into the final thing. Let's see how much they've cooled down. Yeah, I went a little fast, but they're at 140, 150. I'll shake those around some more. And now they're down to about 100 degrees. All right, that'll take us to the end there.